Welcome to the professional skincare session. In this video, you will witness the process of cleansing blackheads by an experienced dermatologist. The patient who came this time had quite a lot of blackhead problems in the face area, especially around the nose, chin, and forehead. The doctor started the treatment by cleaning the patient's face using a special liquid to remove the remaining dirt, oil, and makeup that was still attached. The next step is the administration of warm steam. This stage serves to open the skin pores and soften blackheads, so that the cleaning process can be done more easily and without causing excessive pain. After the pores are opened, the doctor uses a sterile extraction tool to remove the blackheads. With careful movements, the doctor cleans the blackheads one by one, ensuring that nothing is left behind, either black blackheads or white blackheads. This process is carried out very carefully, so that the patient's skin is maintained in health and does not experience irritation. Doctors also utilize their expertise to provide education during the treatment process. Patients are given an understanding of the importance of maintaining facial hygiene, the use of skincare products that suit the skin type, and how to avoid habits that can worsen the skin condition, such as touching the face with dirty hands or squeezing blackheads carelessly. At the end of the treatment, the doctor closes the pores using toner or ice cubes, followed by the application of a soothing mask to relieve redness and keep the skin hydrated. As a result, the patient's face looks cleaner, fresher, and free of annoying blackheads. This kind of treatment not only helps to clear the skin, but also improves the patient's confidence. It is a testament to the importance of skin care performed by professional personnel for safe, effective, and satisfactory results. Thank you for watching this process. May be useful for those of you who want to know how to care for the skin properly.